Congress leader and former student leader, in fact, is now making sexist jibes at the partners of other leaders of other parties. What is being seen as an inappropriate sexist jibe aimed at the wife of Devendra Fadnavis, Kanhaiya Kumar has said Fadnavis's wife is busy making Instagram reels. How to save religion, he basically asked, if the Deputy Chief Minister of Maharashtra's wife is making reels. Is this a comment that should have come from a young leader who clearly wanted a lot of reforms in the country? Let's listen in.
अगर ये धर्म युद्ध है और धर्म को बचाने का सवाल है, जो भी नेता आपके सामने धर्म बचाने का भाषण देता है, उससे बस एक बात पूछना है। एक्सक्यूज मी सर, आप धर्म बचाना चाहते हैं, 1 मिनट आपका चाहिए, बस ये बता दीजिए कि धर्म बचाने की इस लड़ाई में आपका बेटा बेटी भी हमारे साथ चलेगा ना? समझे बात को? ऐसा तो नहीं होगा कि धर्म बचाने की जिम्मेवारी हमारी और ऑक्सफोर्ड कैम्ब्रिज में पढ़ने की जिम्मेवारी आपके बाल बच्चों की। अगर धर्म बचाना है तो सब मिलकर के बचाएंगे। ऐसा तो नहीं होगा ना कि हम लोग धर्म बचाएंगे और जो है डिप्टी सीएम साहब की पत्नी जो है वो इंस्टाग्राम पे रील बनाएंगी।
I want to bring in this morning telecast my colleague Vidya from Mumbai. Vidya, it hasn't come from, so to say, a traditional leader, but someone who has climbed the ranks through student activism and a changed image, so to say, of how politics should be, and yet he's making a remark like we have heard before as well.
Well, in fact, it seems like he's making this remark to grab more of those, people he was referring to, more accolades is something that he's looking for, because that is exactly, the kind of line that we have been seeing that, political leaders have these days been making a lot of, especially as, as the date for polling really nears, the voices are just getting more shriller, where they are making really personal remarks against each other. We have seen recently Owaisi making remarks against Fadnavis doing the same against Owaisi and Uddhav Thackeray. Similarly, we now see Kanhaiya Kumar in the same run making a very personal remark against the wife of the Deputy Chief Minister, which certainly will not go down well with the BJP leaders who might want to react to that. But certainly, this kind of statement was not something that many people, even in Mahavikas Aghadi, would really appreciate, is what we have been getting to know.
But is that the political discourse that's becoming? And why target someone's wife, someone's partner, target the leader in public? Perhaps that should have been a boundary that's kept, but that also has been crossed this time by Kanhaiya Kumar. Will the BJP take this up and respond? Vidya and I will be tracking the latest on that. Vidya, thank you very much on the